So he sent me this email. It's like, Matt, could you take a look at it? Absolutely, I can take a look at it. I don't have my reading glasses. That's pretty small print. You guys ever do this? You should. Okay? Page 1. Page 2. Oh my God, Greenpeace is going to kill me for printing this bad boy. Page 3. Page 4. I'm not trying to poke fun at Brett. Guys, print your damn emails out. Look at them on your phone. If you start to get carpal tunnel from having to swipe up, your email is too long. But to my point about assessing their situation, okay? Brett did an okay job. He's got a paragraph in here a little bit, and then he's going into, hey, we got 3 phases in our quote. The design phase, phase 1, that's going to be 70,000 to 90,000. Then we got phase 2, then we got some critical notes, and then there's some language in here I don't like. Let me see if I can find it. Things like non-binding budgetary proposal listed below for evaluation and planning purposes only, in hopes of, that's the word that stuck out to me. Never say in hopes of. Okay, and if you don't believe me, when you get on the next airplane that you get on, I'm getting one here in about 2 hours. If that pilot goes, welcome aboard everybody, my name is Captain Adams. I will be your pilot in hopes of landing in Los Angeles, California later to say, I'm out! I'm a ding, 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 open the door, right? I don't want to do business with people that hope, okay? I want a son of a gun that can land the damn plane in LA on time or ahead of schedule. Okay, so we got to slow down here. But to solve Brett's problem, it's fine. He just jammed a proposal into an email. Okay, that proposal should be a PDF. And then his email, because he didn't slow down in the beginning, his email was all focused on phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. His email should be focused on, hey Matt, it's Brett with, you know, whatever company, Acme. Purpose of this email is to understand is to summarize my understanding of your current situation, the capabilities you guys need, and next steps in terms of getting your people out in the field, the reporting that they need, so you don't continue to lose good associates and put yourself in the best position possible to hire and to scale and hire new talent. Current situation. Right now, your people out in the field are not able to enter their reports and their numbers in the field from a mobile app. That's causing them to have to drive back to the office, and things are getting missed and work is having to be done 2 and 3 different times, and people are having to do checks and balances. In the last 60 days, you've lost 2 employees. You cannot continue at this path. Capabilities needed. You need a reporting module out there in the field so they can enter that into the field. You need instant access to their information in the home office so you can give them the support that they need as they're out there working in the field. And you need the ability to scale from 5 outside adjusters to 25 over the next 24 months. Based on everything you're telling me, you are a perfect fit for our XYZ app. I've attached a proposal with the 3 phases to roll it out, and a DocuSign to sign. Does that match what you need? Question mark. Did I miss anything? Per our conversation, I will reach out to you next Thursday, the 11th, if I haven't heard back from you, if I haven't heard from you before then, right? That's how you write an email. Okay, now when they dig into that, they're like, wait, that's me. It's like seeing yourself on TV. That's my current situation. Holy smacks, that's what I need. And the next steps, they're pretty easy. He assigned it. I don't even want to look at that thing. It's 4 pages. I'll let Shannon look at that and just make sure the bits, bytes, blinking lights and all the purchased components and all that are in line. But yeah, 760 to 900,000. Yeah, that's within our budget. Wow, that was a big one he sent me. 760. Phase 2 is $1 million, right? If phase 2 is $1 million, you don't need a longer email. You need a shorter email. Okay? People don't get paid $1 million to sell stuff by the length of their email. They get paid $1 million to be able to explain to a 3-year-old, the 3-year-old of the CEO, why the CEO needs to pay them $1 million in order to improve the organization. Hey, little buddy, are you here at work with mom? Yeah, hey, my name's Matt. So here's what we're going to be doing. Mom's got a bunch of her troops out there in the field. They can't do their work. It's kind of like you going to school without your books. What we're going to be doing here today is we're going to be getting the people in the field able to go to school with their backpacks. That's going to make the company an additional $25 million a year in top line revenue. High five. Tell your mom that, by the way. You want a sucker? Here you go. Cool. Now, boom. You have to be, if you want to close $1 million deals, you don't have to sound like an engineer. You don't have to sound like a lawyer. You have to sound like somebody that can explain the problem to a 3-year-old. Full circle. Back to what we were talking about at the beginning of this situation. How do you explain it like a 3-year-old? You explain it like a 3-year-old by figuring out what the size of the problem is in the beginning. I could have never done the backpack analogy, which by the way was brilliant. I could never have done it's like going to school without your backpack if I didn't figure out why are you guys looking for an app? Oh, we just need field reporting. And I had to resist the temptation. We have graphical user interface 72-bit field reporting. We're the only ones that do it. Okay, fantastic. Send me a proposal. I'll get back to you after the first of the year, right? Slow down in the beginning. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.